Let's learn Christmas ABC. Come and sing along with me. A is for alligator, hanging A up on the wall. B is for bear who brings B.
Great job!
Merry Christmas to all. C is for cat with a shiny golden C. D is for deer, hanging D so carefully. E is for elephant with the purple glowing E. F is for fox, F goes up so easily.
Place it on the wall.
G is for giraffe who hangs G way up high. H is for hippo with H shining bright.
Great hanging skills.
I is for iguana, bringing I in Christmas cheer. J is for jaguar, J,
Nice and
the
shiny.
letter of the year.
K is for kangaroo,
Right onto the wall.
jumping in with K. L is for lion roaring.
L goes here today. M is for monkey, hanging out with fun. N is for nightingale, N is almost done.
O is for owl, placing O in the row. P is for penguin, sliding P through the snow.
Q is for quail with Q, quick and small. R is for rabbit, hopping R to the wall.
S is for squirrel with S swirling bright. T is for tiger, hanging T with might. U is for unicorn with sparkles everywhere. V is for vulture, placing V with care. W is for wolf, wow, W looks great.
X is for X-ray, fish.
Fish brought
Now
shiny
X is up to date.
Y is for yak with yellow letter Y. Z is for zebra, Z goes up, oh my.
All the letters A to Z are shining on the wall.
Merry Christmas, everyone.
Happy learning to all. A, B, C, A, B, C. Christmas fun from A to Z. Giggle Brush and Palette say Merry Christmas, learn and play.